In this video, I'll show you how to use Perplexity AI to quickly identify and analyze your YouTube competitors. I start by typing a prompt to find the top 10 YouTube channels in the AI productivity tools niche for 2026, including their subscriber counts and content focus. The results provide a detailed overview of major competitors like Ali Abdaal and Jeff Su, highlighting their specific focus on productivity systems and AI tools. By reviewing these summaries for channels like Michelle and Green Call AI, I can understand the current market trends and see exactly what type of content is resonating with a large audience. This comprehensive list allows me to identify gaps in the market and see how these top-tier creators are positioning their channels for long-term growth. Next, I use the follow-up bar at the bottom to search for the top 10 channels in the digital marketing and SEO strategy niche for the same year. Perplexity quickly lists industry leaders like RFs, Semrush, and Neil Patel, giving me a clear look at their subscriber base and core content strategies. These results help me compare different approaches to SEO education, from the technical tutorials of Matt Diggity to the broad marketing case studies shared by Think Media. Having all of this data organized in one place makes it much easier for me to refine my own content strategy and see where I can offer unique value compared to these established players. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.